Welcome to this enchanting equestrian estate offering endless opportunities. This expansive property on nearly 33 acres is nestled at the top of a knoll southwest of Oregon City. This well-maintained farm also offers separate possible income streams in a close-in location, perfect for east and west side boarders. Every detail enhances the welfare for the horses and riders, with well-ventilated barns and oversized walkways, with 36 stalls currently all occupied. You'll find tack rooms, grooming stalls, and separate wash racks. The beautiful grounds offers a mixture of social areas, flower gardens, and grass pastures. Large stalls provide clear sight for the horses, plus automatic watering to each stall and outdoor paddocks. The 80 by 180-foot indoor steel frame riding arena is built to last a lifetime. Or enjoy the 60-foot round pen and the small regulation dressage arena. You and your horses will love to explore the miles of trails surrounded by mature timber, perfect for cooling down your horses after their work in your desired discipline. The acreage is nearly all usable level ground, including a slight slope perfect for drainage in our northwest rainy weather. You'll also find graveled pathways, upgraded footing, fenced and cross-fenced pastures with security gates. Other features include a separate workshop and oversized RV storage. Plus hay and shavings, grain and feed barn, separate from the main stables. Every detail is designed for you and your horse to focus on your equestrian goals. This is your staycation, complete with one of the best views of Mount Hood, providing the perfect escape from the stress of the day. An exceptional opportunity in a fantastic location, just waiting to be your new home. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Erin Warren with Premier Property Group at 503-319-0490.